today's video, installing this ARB awning 1250 series. They sell bigger ones. This is about 4 feet wide and it goes out 6 or 7 feet. $190 shipped. I didn't need a bigger one. Didn't want to pay more for a bigger one. This is as big as a sliding door, so that'll work. So the cover is built into the awning, so I'm going to flip this over and show you guys how it's mounted. It came with these 6 bolts, and all you do is slide them in just like that, and then you're going to need a mounting point, which I have right here. This came from my old van. This used to be one of those roof racks that was a bar across, but I just took the bars off and I saved this to use as a mounting point. I had this in mind when I got another van. I knew I was going to put an awning in, and these looked handy, so I kept these. Just took the roof rack part off. I don't want a roof rack on this current van. Just need this as a mounting point. I made a little cardboard template where I'm going to drill the holes. Simple. Now I have 3 marks where the bolt holes are going to be. Template worked perfectly. Now the other bracket. When I made my template, I made sure I had the clearance to fit my wrench in there so I could tighten it. Looks good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the other template for the other bracket and just slide it out like this. So when I'm done with this, I'll clip this onto the roof rails, and then I could just slide the awning onto here and then tighten it. That's it. Simple. First bracket in, and the door opens and closes. Now to put in the second one. Both brackets are on. Left a ton of slack here so I could slide the awning in and then tighten it. Door opens just fine. Here it is installed, as wide as the sliding door. It hits just a little bit when I open my door, but no big deal. Let's see what it looks like. Fold it out. I went for a drive just to see or hear if this would make any extra wind noise or rattle around. Thankfully, it's quiet. I didn't notice any extra noise driving on the freeway, which is what I was hoping for. And that's why I'm not doing a roof rack again, a full-on roof rack. I had a roof rack on my last van, and you could hear it rattling around on the roof. And I didn't want that this time around, so you can't hear it. It's streamlined when you look at it, so no extra noise. I'm going to go ahead and deploy this right now and give you guys my thoughts. Like I stated earlier, when I open my door, it hits just a little bit, but that's okay. It hits it a tiny bit, but in a way that's good. You know why? Because if I'm parked at an angle, this door will close, so maybe that's enough friction to hold the door open now. So let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys how this works. I'll do my best to do this one-handed, so yeah, I'm gonna have to okay, I could get it. So it's all rolled up in there, so there's a little friction here. So to make it easier, you want to hold the awning as you open the zipper. That way you don't put too much pressure on this. So let me turn off the camera. When you unzip the cover, there's the awning rolled up in there, and it's being held in place by Velcro. It remains to be seen how long this will last. But you just unhook it, pull this, and then it'll fall out, and then just roll it down. I'll do that off camera. Here's the awning out. it's just rolled up like that all the way into the cover, and all the legs are under there. Everything is self-contained in the housing, so I have this rolled out, so you just pull these, so pull each side. It's pretty simple even by yourself, but definitely this would be easier with two people. So here's my main complaint about this. Here's the tip I have to give you guys. The joints are really flimsy, and even when you twist this part, it's still flimsy. So bring tape with you and just tape the joints. Tape the joints and your life will be a lot easier. So let me just complete this and explain more in detail. It's pretty much set up, so have some tape on your side and just start taping up the joints right here. This is the flimsy part, so just put tape right here and you're good to go. If you're more ambitious, maybe drill a small hole and put pins in this area. That's what I would do if you're more ambitious. I don't want to ruin this thing, so I'm just going to use tape. I'm going to use this once a month at most. So yeah, if you're really good, just drill a small hole and maybe use some wing nut hardware or maybe some clamps on all the joints, 4 joints. So I'm going to tape it up right now. I have the sliding door open, so as you could see, it clears. Put tape on the joints. Since this is a quick demo, I just put a little bit, but once I'm at a camping spot, of course I'm going to use more. But just a quick demo on the tape there. Tape here too. So tape the joints up or put clamps, maybe pins, and it's a lot sturdier this way. So that's the main drawback. You need clamps or a pin or something, so do it whatever way you want. Okay, it comes with these little tie downs right here. So of course if you're camping, you're gonna hook it onto the dirt. So it clears the sliding door. Here's what it looks like from in my van. The sun's this way, so I'm not really blocking any sun right now. But if I was parked the other way, facing this way, like this part is facing the sun, I would be blocking sun, obviously. But here's what I meant by tape up the joints. So I put some tape here at the 4 joints, because like I said, this is really flimsy. Even twisting it, it's really flimsy. So it's up to you, depending on how you want to do this. I always have a roll of Gorilla Tape with me, but like I said, probably the better solution would be drilling a small hole and putting a pin. That's more permanent, and you don't have to have tape on you all the time, but this works. It's a little windy right now, so you could kind of see the trees moving around a little bit. So there it is. Here's my awning right there. It's cool. I like it. Clears the sliding door like I wanted it to. So there you go. So I think that's about 6 feet out, maybe 7, 4 feet wide. So there it is, ARB awning. Easy to set up. I'm guessing the 8-foot or 6-foot wide one's going to be harder to set up on your own, but the 4-foot wide one, no problem. I could get this rolled back up in like 2 minutes. Just bring tape. That's the main drawback. And like I said, it comes with tie downs and all that. But right now it's only a little breezy. See, you can see the tarp moving a little bit, and it's fine. Like I said, as long as you tape the joints. So yeah, it's all Velcro. Who knows how long this will last. But I only intend on using this once a month at most. If I have it for years and years, then I got my money's worth. And if the Velcro wears out, there you go, it's windy right now, it's picking up. If the Velcro wears out, then more tape everywhere. But that's cool as it is right here. I'm just parked on the wrong spot, but you get the idea. I should have parked facing this way, and then I would have blocked out the sun, but there you go.